Wow, that's a big question. You've asked me about 3 questions in one. The first one about what drives the approach and what kind of risk are we willing to take. Well, if we go back to the Johnson & Johnson innovation story, it's really about that innovation can come from anywhere and good ideas can come from anywhere. They can come from inside Johnson & Johnson, they can come from academics, they can come from entrepreneurs, they can come from startups. So Johnson & Johnson Innovation is set up to be the big red door for innovators and the partnering. So sometimes we partner, sometimes we introduce the entrepreneurs to our business units, sometimes we do equity investments. We're really just trying to make sure that we are available to enable the entrepreneurs of the future. How do we choose the companies we invest in or the companies we partner with? Well, we work very closely with our disease area experts and our therapeutic area strategies across pharma, med device and consumer to figure out who are the right people to partner with and what's the impact they're going to have on the health of the patient going forward. Another big question. So what really excites us? You may have heard of an initiative that's been launched out of Johnson & Johnson called World Without Disease. When we look at the disease progression and we look at a lot of the therapies are treating the end state disease. It's when it's almost too late and you've got these therapies that can impact the progression of that disease. We're saying, can we intercept it earlier? Can we even prevent disease? Can we detect it earlier? If we can do that, that completely changes the game for the humans that are impacted by disease. I don't think we're ever going to see a reduced appetite for entrepreneurs in healthcare. Think about it. As individuals, healthcare is one of the most important things that we have in life. And entrepreneurs come in many different flavors. Sometimes there's entrepreneurs that have a new chemical that works better than the last chemical or the last drug. Sometimes entrepreneurs have a digital biomarker from a cell phone that can detect disease really early. Sometimes entrepreneurs are figuring out new manufacturing technologies. We haven't reduced our appetite for working with entrepreneurs, and entrepreneurs are not reducing their appetite for changing the face of healthcare.